Does your child seem frustrated or uninterested when learning a new language? Could they be struggling without you realizing it? Today we'll uncover 5 common signs that your child may be facing challenges with language learning. And I'll share simple strategies to help them overcome these hurdles and thrive. Hi there, I'm Dana, the founder of Danaland Academy and an Arabic educator with over 8 years of experience. I've dedicated my career to helping young learners fall in love with the Arabic language. On this channel, I'll share tips, strategies, and creative ideas to make Arabic learning fun, engaging, and meaningful for your child. Why is it too important to identify language learning struggles early? When kids face difficulties and don't get the right support, it can lead to frustration, low confidence, or even giving up entirely. Today, I'll help you spot the red flags that your child might be struggling and show you how to help them succeed. Stay with me until the end for my number 1 tip to rebuild their confidence back. Does your child seem bored or uninterested during lessons? A lack of engagement is one of the first signs they're struggling. They might not connect with the material or find the activities uninteresting. How to help? Incorporate fun, interactive methods like games, storytelling, or Arabic songs. When learning feels like playtime, engagement naturally improves. But what if your child starts avoiding lessons altogether? Let's explore that next. Does your child make excuses to skip language practice? Avoidance is a clear sign of frustration. They may feel overwhelmed by the difficulty or embarrassed by mistakes, leading them to shut down entirely. How to help? Break lessons into smaller, achievable steps. Celebrate small wins like learning a new word or completing a short activity to boost their confidence. But what if your child is trying yet seems stuck or confused? Let's look at another common struggle. Is your child forgetting words as quickly as they learn them? Struggling to retain vocabulary can signal that your child isn't practicing enough or that the teaching method isn't clicking with them. How to help? Use repetition and context to reinforce new words. Label items around the house in Arabic or create flashcards with pictures to make the words stick. Still, what if your child is trying hard but feels embarrassed or discouraged? Let's address how emotions play a big role in language learning next. Loving these tips? Don't forget to subscribe for more strategies to make language learning stress-free and fun. Now, let's dive into how emotional struggles affect progress. Does your child hesitate to speak or participate? Fear of making mistakes can hold kids back from practicing, which is essential for improvement. This often happens when they feel judged or pressured. How to help? Create a safe, judgment-free space where mistakes are seen as part of the learning process. Praise their effort, not just their results, to build confidence. But what if their struggles are more about understanding the overall structure of the language? Let's explore the final sign next. Does your child find it hard to form sentences or understand the grammar rules? This is a common challenge for language learners, especially if the language they're learning has a very different structure from their native one. How to help? Introduce grammar through simple examples and real life context. For instance, instead of teaching rules in isolation, show how they work in short sentences that they can use right away. Now that we've identified the signs, how do you bring it all together to help your child thrive in language learning? Let's wrap it up with my top tip. What's the most important thing to help your child overcome these struggles? The key is patience and consistency. As I tell you always, keep lessons short, fun, and encouraging. Celebrate every small step forward and focus on building their love for the language rather than perfection. Remember, every child learns at their own pace, and with the right support, they'll grow more confident and excited about language learning. And if you're curious about the benefits of teaching your child Arabic, even if you're not fluent, don't miss my previous video. It's packed with reasons why learning Arabic can transform your child's future. See you next time. Bye bye.